Hello, my yoga friend! I'm so glad to see you today! Let's get started! Airplane pose! Spread your wings wide! Whoosh! Feel the wind on your face! Great job, little pilot! Butterfly pose. Sit tall, feet together, knees flutter like butterfly wings. Flap, flap, so light. Cat-cow pose. Hands and knees on the mat. Meow like a cat, then moo like a cow. Arch up, then look up. Nice stretch for your back. Cobra pose. Lie on your tummy, hands under shoulders. Lift your chest like a snake. Smile, strong and steady. Extended side angle. Step your feet wide. Bend one knee. Reach your arm over your head. Feel the stretch from fingers to toes. Strong and graceful. Half forward bend pose. From standing, fold halfway. Inhale, long spine. Mountain pose. Stand tall, feet together, arms by your sides. Breathe deep. You are a mountain, steady and strong. Puppy balance. On hands and knees, lift one arm and the opposite leg. Breathe. Smile. You're a brave puppy. Reverse plank pose. Sit, hands behind you. Lift your hips up. Look at the ceiling. Strong body. Breathe in. Open your chest. Seated forward bend pose. Sit tall, legs straight. Reach up, then fold forward. Breathe slow. Sphinx pose. Lie on your belly, elbows under shoulders. Look ahead, strong and calm. Star reach pose. Stand tall, arms up. Reach high. Grab a star. Hold it. Now, let it Great job, my friend! You did wonderful today! See you next time! Bye!